Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, tuturuan ko sa inyo ang AutoCAD User Interface. Itong video na ito ay para po sa mga baguhan pa lang sa AutoCAD and gusto matuto paano mag-AutoCAD. Then this video is for you. Bago ako magsimula, paki-subscribe ang aking YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for future content. And today, i-open ko po ang AutoCAD. So, ito po ang lalabas. Hintayin lang po kayo ng ilang segundo. And pag ni-open nyo po ang AutoCAD, this kind of screen will appear in front of you. This is what we call start screen or welcome screen. Meron tayong tatlong columns. Get started, recent documents, and notification. Dito sa Get Started, if you want to open a new file, click lang po kayo dito and it will open new file. So dito sa Get Started, if you want to open a new file, click lang po kayo dito and it will open a new file. Here, kung makikita nyo ang drop down arrow, nakikita nyo po dito ang mga template. So i-click lang po ito. So, ito po ang default file, ang AutoCAD.twt. And here, makikita nyo dito mga options like open files, open sheets, get more templates online, and explore sample drawings. So, if you want to open an existing file, open nyo lang po ito. Then, if you want to search online template, you can click here. Then lastly, if you want to open an sample drawing sa AutoCAD, you can click on here. So, dito naman sa recent document column, if you use AutoCAD recently, makikita nyo po dito. And pwede nyo po gamitin ito. Itong tab na to, directly open any drawing. So, next naman, dito tayo sa notification column. It has information related to your account. Then dito man for option of connect, if you have Autodesk account or AutoCAD account, you can just sign in from here. And to give feedback, just click here. So ito po ay option for create. So kung i-click ko naman ang learn, dito ay mga samples videos for introduction to AutoCAD. Pwede po kayo manood dito kung ikaw po kayo baguan or wala pa kayong idea sa AutoCAD. Then itong mga videos na to ay para sa inyo. Ngayon ay tuturuan ko naman kayo kung paano mag-create ng file. To create a file, punta lang kayo dito, pipindutin ko lang ito, then and it will open on this screen. Or pwede naman dito, kung nakikita nyo to. Yeah, pwede naman po. So, yan. So, i-explain ko lahat mga interface dito. So, magsimula muna tayo dito. Ang tawag po dito ay application button. This button is called application button. These are the options. Like new, open, save, save as, import, export, publish, print, drawings, and then. So, yan. Ito po ang application button. Then, ito naman po ay quick access toolbar. You can access quickly in any of the option like new, open, save, save as, open from web and mobile, save to web and mobile, and plot. And here are some of our options like property and so on. And dito naman, makikita nyo po ito. Ito pa ay titleable. Kung makikita nyo dito, ito ay Autodesk. Ito po yung company name. Then, AutoCAD 2021. Ito yung version ng aking AutoCAD. And then, makikita nyo dito ay drawing2.twg. Means, ito yung file name ng file ko and ito yung format. So, next naman, kung makikita nyo dito, ang info bar. If you want to search anything, you can search here. And if you want to log in into your Autodesk account, you can log in here. So, pumunta naman tayo sa tabs. So, itong tawag na po ito ay tabs. So, these are some tabs like Home, Insert, Annotate, Parametric, View, Manage, Output, Add-ins, Collaborate, Express Tool, and Future Tabs. And under these tabs, there are different types of panels. And kung every panel, there will be commands. Kung makikita nyo po dito, under Home tab, there are different types of panels like Draw panels, Modify panels, Annotation panels, Layers panels, Block panels, Properties panels, Group, Utilities, Clipboard views, and panels. And in every panel has some commands. Like dito sa Draw panel, merong line, polyline, circles, arc, and so on. As you can see here sa Draw panel, mayroong drop down. So, i-click ko ito. And here, makikita nyo dito more commands like donut, rectangular vision plot, and so on. Ang sunod naman ay ang ribbon area. This is the area what we call ribbon. Itong area na po ito contains all the tools and commands properly arranged into different tabs and panels. Kung makikita nyo po dito, Home, Insert, and so on, are the tabs in which different panels are placed meaningful order. And then ang sunod naman ay ang drawing area. So ito, kung nakikita nyo po ito, ginagalawan po yung aking cursor. Itong area na ito ay dito kayo magde-drawing anything. O yan, ito. Then next naman ay ang view cube. Ito naman ay tinatawag na view cube. You can just view anything in different point. For example, click ko lang po ito. O kung gusto niyo ng front view, ayan, gagalawin ko lang po siya. Ito ay yan. Ito ay yung front view. So you can change the rotation according to your need. So kung gusto ko namang gawing top view, you can go here. Pwede nyo po itong gamitin to. If you want to make it your top view, I'll just go here and click top. O yan, makikita nyo po ito. I-click ko lang po ang top. O yan, bumalik na po ako sa top view. So this is normally used in 3D if you want to top view, front view, and etc. So next naman, a user coordinate system. So ito po yun. As you can see here, this is called user coordinate system. So this is x-axis. Itong red line na po ito. X-axis po ito. Then y-axis, itong green line. Then kung nakikita nyo po yung parang maliit na box. So ang tinatawag po dito ay origin point. And then next naman ay ang command line. Just at the bottom of the drawing area. This is what we call command line. All the commands will show up in this command line. Example, magta-type po ako ng line. So yun. So this lalabas po ang command like line. Ayan. Pero in my case, para mabilis po kayo, you don't need to click on the command line. You'll just start typing without selecting anything. Like yan. Like this. So ito to. Lalabas mo po agad ang line. So ang next naman ay ang layout tabs. Ito po. Dito po ay mga sheets ng inyong mga drawings on which you can arrange in different view of the drawing and finally plot multiple sheets. For example, ayan. So example lang po. Magda-drawing po ako dito. Ay, sorry. Magda-drawing na po ako dito. So ayan. If nag-drawing kayo ng house plan in a model space where the floor plan elevation, section, and detail drawings are all made in the model space, you can use layout tabs. You can use layout tabs to place them separately on different sheets, such as layout for plan view, elevation, and detail drawings, and so on. And then, balik po ako dito. Then, makikita nyo po dito, ito parang mga may decimal points na ito. Ito po ay drawing coordinates. Ito po yung coordinates ng x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis coordinates. And then dito, makikita nyo dito ang status bar or toggle buttons. Here are the options that help making precious drawing. Examples like object snap. You can turn that off by just clicking if you want. So yan, naka-off pa yung object snap. Pero if magdodrawing kayo, mas better na naka-on. O yan. Kung ayaw nyo po ng grid, just click here. Or just press F7. And next naman ay ang workspace. Kung makikita nyo po dito, drafting and annotation, 3D basics, and 3D modeling. So, para po sa 2D drawing, ang ginagamit po ay drafting and annotation. And para naman po sa 3D basic, so makikita nyo po dito, lahat po ng mga panels and commands will change. And this one is for 3D. And if you want to use 3D modeling, as you can see here, ay ang mga commands and panels ay nag-change. So for today, ang gagamitin po natin ay ang drafting and annotation. And lastly, the selection cursor. So yan yung ginagalaw ko. Ito po ay ang selection cursor. This is the cursor that shows up on the AutoCAD screen. I will discuss the adjustment of cursor on the next video. Okay? So, bago po ma-end ang video, isa-summarize ko ang lahat ng mga parts ng AutoCAD interface. Ito po ay application button. Ayan. Quick access toolbar. Ito po. Title bar. Info bar. So ito tabs. Ribbon area. Drawing area. View cube. View controls. User coordinate system. Command line. Layout tabs. Drawing coordinates. Status bar or toggle buttons. And lastly, workspace. So, tatapusin ko muna ang video ngayon. And kung baguhan ka pa lang po dito, paki-subscribe ang aking YouTube channel. And hit the notification bell para updated po kayo sa future videos ko. And thank you po sa mga nanood. Sana po may matutunan po kayo. Kahit na first time ko lang po magturo ng ganito. Ng AutoCAD. And yun lang ko.